Oh yeah, super stoked on the new Heritage Edition. Thanks to Mountain Dirty Motorsports. Lee, man, you're the man. Thank you so much. This bike is far better looking, in my opinion, in person than when I actually saw it online. I am stoked on the blue, yellow, white frame. Thought it was a lot of white when I first saw it online, but I am absolutely stoked in person. She is good looking. It's one of those bikes where you see it in person and you're like, okay, I get it. A lot better looking. Guys, give Mountain Dirty Motorsports in Silverthorne, Colorado a look. These guys are awesome. Lee will take excellent care of you. Best dealer I found so far. Husky, KTM, and GASGAS, and they got all your winter sports fun as well. Heritage TE300i, ready to rip.